Paul Zamar saves Blackwater. Zamar was clutch on both ends Friday and the elite beat Meralco 94-91 in the 2018 PBA Governors Cup at the Big Dome. Holding on to a 1-point lead, 91-90, Zamar bailed out his import Henry Walker on defense in the final 30 seconds. Walker turned the ball over for Blackwater and Anjo Caram was on his way for a go-ahead layup when Zamar emphatically blocked the ball from behind, LeBron James style. After the Bolts ended up tying the game anyway, Blackwater went the length of the floor with no timeouts left and with only 18 seconds to work with for a possible game-winning play. With Meralco scrambling on defense, the ball wound up on Zamar, and the former leader of Thailand's Mono Vampire drilled a booming triple with 9 seconds to go to seal the final tally. "Great bounce back, great win," said head coach Bong Ramos. "It's a come-from-behind win again. Character of the team is showing, the players are developing. Hopefully, we could continue that," he added. Import Henry Walker led the elite with 24 points, while Mac Bello and Zamar added 14 and 13 points respectively. Roy Sumang added another 12. The win also pushed Blackwater to 5-1 for the conference. Meanwhile, the Bolts got 32 points and 21 rebounds from reigning two-time best import Alan Durham. However, Meralco dropped to 1-4 in the Governors Cup. The scores. Blackwater 94, Walker 24, Bello 14, Zamar 13, Sumang 12, Maliksi 10, Oze 8, Sina 5, Pinto 4, De Gregorio 2, Al Husseini 2, Javier 0. Meralco 91, Durham 32, Amer 14, Bono 10, Newsom 8, Caram 7, Lanit 5, Hodge 4, Salva 4, Talomia 3, Jamito 2, Hugnaton 2, Atkins 0, Canaleta 0.